Exposing the real risks in online shopping, Tivonette.com style. You need to watch this if you struggle with spotting scam websites. Here's what nobody's telling you about Tivonette in 2025. So, is Tivonette.com legit, or just another internet mirage? Here's the scoop. As of December 2025, Tivonette has only one review on Trustpilot, and it's a one-star disaster. The reviewer says getting a refund was like running a marathon with no finish line, forms, endless waiting, and no happy ending. But that's not all. There's barely any info about the company online. No real business address, no social media buzz, and definitely no glowing reviews. When a store hides in the shadows, that's a giant red flag waving right at you. Here's the bottom line. If you can't find trustworthy feedback or clear company details, your money's probably safer somewhere else. Don't let slick websites trick you. Shop smart, ask questions, and remember, if it smells fishy, it probably is.